हे एवरीवन, इंग्लिश लिखते हुए या बोलते हुए अगर आपके जहन में अल्फाज नहीं आते हैं तो आपकी इंग्लिश वोकैबुलरी है कमज़ोर। और इस मसले को हम हल करने वाले हैं 3000 इंग्लिश वोकैबुलरी वर्ड्स के इस कोर्स से। इस कोर्स में आपको हर लफ्ज़ ऐसे सिखाया जाएगा कि आप कभी ना भूलें। तो चलिए बिला ताखीर हमारे आज के सबक का आगाज़ कर लें। जी, तो पहला वर्ड है मुआहिदा। इंग्लिश होगी कॉन्ट्रैक्ट। कॉन्ट्रैक्ट। द वुमन साइंड अ कॉन्ट्रैक्ट। The woman signed a contract. Kinara, edge. He ran to the edge of the cliff. Amla, crew. Crew. My father has a crew. My father has a crew. Waqf karna, devote. Devote. She devotes 2 hours a day to count rosary beads. She devotes 2 hours a day to count rosary beads. Khodna, dig. He digs in yard to hide things. He digs in yard to hide things. Raat ka khana khana, dine. The young couple dine at their home. The young couple dine at their home. Atiya karna, donate. Donate. We donate money to charities. We donate money to charities. Dugna, double. I paid almost double amount. I paid almost double amount. Buland karna, elevate. Elevate. The man elevated the picture. Zaika, flavor. Flavor. The flavor of ice cream was very good. The flavor of ice cream was very good. Tanzeem, foundation. Foundation. The foundation raised money for students. The foundation raised money for students. Nasl, generation. Generation. The new generation is very intelligent. Dasta, handle. He picked the pot by handle. He picked the pot by handle. Teh, layer. There was a layer of snow on the top. There was a layer of snow on the top. Keechad, mud. My brother is playing in the mud. My brother is playing in the mud. Hambar, ya, mulayam. Smooth. Smooth. The baby's skin is very smooth. The baby's skin is very smooth. Muddy, soil. Soil. The boy planted flowers in the soil. The boy planted flowers in the soil. Munfrid, unique. Her dog is unique. Her dog is unique. Inkar karna, deny. The boy denied to help her. The boy denied to help her. Zor dena, emphasize. Emphasize. She emphasized the key points. She emphasized the key points. Jam jana, freeze. The ground froze. The ground froze. Ishara karna, gesture. Gesture. My teacher makes a lot of gestures. My teacher makes a lot of gestures. जारी रहना या देर तक चलना. The football match lasted for 2 hours. The football match lasted for 2 hours. रुकावट डालना या रोकना. Interrupt. Interrupt. My mother interrupted me. My mother interrupted me. Mushabih, likeness. He bears a strong likeness to her sister. He bears a strong likeness to her sister. मज़ीद ये कि, moreover. Moreover. मज़ीद पॉइंट ऐड करने के लिए या मज़ीद डिटेल ऐड करने के लिए आप moreover का वर्ड यूज़ कर सकते हैं इंग्लिश सेंटेंसेस में. It's cold outside. Moreover, the wind is strong. It's cold outside. Moreover, the wind is strong. Nukta nazar, perspective. Perspective. His speech gave me a new perspective. Theek hona, recover. Recover. I hope the city will recover soon. I hope the city will recover soon. Bharosa rakhna, rely. Rely. The boy relied on his elder brother. The boy relied on his elder brother. चौंकना या हैरान होना. shock, shock. The man was shocked by the news. The man was shocked by the news. शर्मीली या शर्मीला, shy. The girl was too shy. The girl was too shy. देखना या घूरना, लगातार देखते रहना इंग्लिश में कहलाता है stare. Stare. They stared each other. They stared each other. नतीजतन या इसलिए. एक बात हो गई, अब वहीं से मज़ीद नतीजा निकाला जा रहा है, तो आप 10 का वर्ड यूज़ करते हुए नतीजा बोल सकते हैं. जैसे The sun was shining, thus I wore my sunglasses. The sun was shining, thus I wore my sunglasses. मकसद, aim. My aim is to become a pilot. My aim is to become a pilot. शर्त लगाना, bet. How much will you bet? How much will you bet? काम की घर से सफ़र करना, यानी काम की घर से हम जो डेली आते जाते हैं ऑफिस में, काम वाली जगह पे, उसको हम कहते हैं, उस सफ़र को हम कहते हैं commute. Commute. I usually commute to work on train. I usually commute to work on train. तस्दीक करना की इंग्लिश होगी confirm. Ali confirmed that he is a good player. Ali confirmed that he is a good player. तनकीद करना, criticize. Criticize. He criticized his wife for spending money. He criticized his wife for spending money. मुख्तलिफ होना, differ. I differ from my brother. I differ from my brother. अखराजात, expenses. She wrote down all the expenses. She wrote down all the expenses. Cut, height. My height is 168 centimeters. My height is 168 centimeters. ईजाद करना, invent. Invent. Ali has invented some interesting things. Ali has invented. इसको आपने invented करके अलहदा से pronounce नहीं करना है. अगर आप कुछ इस तरह से कर देंगे तो आसानी हो जाएगी, fluency improve हो जाएगी. कैसे? Ali has invented. ये आप तब इम्प्रूव कर पाएंगे जब आप नेटिव इंग्लिश स्पीकर्स को, यानी जो फ्लुएंटली अंग्रेज़ी लहजे में, प्योर अंग्रेज़ी लहजे में इंग्लिश बोलते हैं, उनको सुनेंगे. बहुत ज़्यादा सुनेंगे तो ये ऑटोमेटिकली आपकी इंग्लिश इम्प्रूव कर देगी. ओके, Ali has invented some interesting things. छोटा या छोटी, जूनियर. ये क्लास के लिहाज से भी हो सकता है, एज के लिहाज से भी हो सकता है, या ओहदे के लिहाज से भी हो सकता है. She was only a junior manager. मुखलिस को इंग्लिश में कहेंगे sincere. He is sincere to me. वो मेरे साथ मुखलिस है. सलाहियत, ability. He has many abilities. छत, ceiling. He painted ceiling with special roller. राज़ी करना या कायल करना, convince. She convinced me to buy the house. उसने मुझे घर खरीदने पर राज़ी किया. ताख़ीर होना, delay. I was delayed at the airport. भरोसा, faith. The sick girl had faith in doctors. Anaj, grain. The farmer planted 2 fields of grain. सलाम कहना या मिलना, greet. I greeted my friend at the door. आज के लिए इतना ही. मिलते हैं अगली वीडियो के साथ बहुत जल्द. Bye for now.